In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Tampermonkey in Chrome step by step, so you can install this powerful browser extension quickly and without any confusion. Tampermonkey is a popular tool that lets you manage user scripts and customize how websites behave, which makes it useful for all kinds of browser automation and workflow improvements. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find Chrome's main settings and tools. From the menu, hover over Extensions. This will open the extension section where you can manage or discover browser add-ons. Now you'll want to open the Chrome Web Store or the extension search area, and in the search bar, type Tampermonkey. As soon as the search results appear, click on Tampermonkey from the list. Make sure you select the correct extension so you install the official version. On the extension page, you'll see a blue Add to Chrome button. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will then show a permissions confirmation pop-up, which is completely normal. This pop-up explains what the extension can access, so review it briefly and then click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will download and install Tampermonkey automatically. Once the download finishes, a new tab will open confirming that Tampermonkey has been successfully installed. At that point, you're all set and the extension is ready to use in your browser. If you want to check that everything worked properly, you can look at the extensions area in Chrome and confirm that Tampermonkey is now available there. And that's it. You've now added Tampermonkey in Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide.